Daming yung mga advertisers yung gumagamit ng, ASC or Advantage Shopping Campaign. Pero may mga bagay na dapat i-consider bago ka makapag-decide. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Here are the advantages. Unang-una, ASC uses AI and machine learning para mag-automate ng ad management. It optimizes the budget. Makikita natin dito sa loob. Real time. Di mo na kailangan mag-micromanage. This means better yung performance kasi can identify the high intent customers. So makikita mo dito, you have the budgeting here and then you don't have any targeting. So yung approach nitong ASC is full funnel siya. Full funnel approach because it handles both prospecting or finding new customers and retargeting, which is the existing customers. Number 3 is it has the audience reach. Kasi nga, if makikita natin dito sa may gilid, ayan, magiging broad kasi yung targeting niya. So, more diverse customer segments. Next is the creative flexibility. You can test up to 150 creatives combination. Combination yun. For example, you have an image here. Ito mag-combine ng different text option, yan, kung ilan man yan. And then, the headline, you can have up to 5. Then, the description. Sa 150 combinations kasi napakadaming pwedeng subukan para malaman kung ano yung ads na pinaka-effective. The more data, the better results kasi the algorithm learns which works best. Number 5 is lower cost per acquisition or lower CPA. Maraming mga users ang sabi na mas mura yung CPA nila when it comes to using ASC compared doon sa traditional method. Kung gusto mo mag-save while still driving sales, this could be a good option for you. Pero ito naman yung mga consideration kasi before implementing ASC. Ang downside, kapag naka-ASC ka, automated niya kasi AI and machine learning, less control ka over your ads. You may not have full control over specific placement. Number 2 is the learning phase sensitivity. Tulad ng ibang automated system, ASC will go through learning phase kahit yung traditional. This means na maging fluctuating yung performance in the beginning. Dapat give it a time bago ka mag-decide kung okay ba siya. Number 3 is potential audience saturation. Kung maliit na yung target audience mo or saturated na sila sa ads from similar brands, medyo magde-decline yung effectiveness ni ASC over time. It's important na bantayan mo rin yung engagement na audience. Number 4 na pros or consideration is the budget consideration. Hindi pwede dito yung konti yung budget mo. Kasi you should make sure na meron kang sufficient big budget. Mas malaking budget can accelerate learning and performance. Pero make sure na, of course, sustainable siya sa business mo. Conclusion po, this Advantage Plus shopping campaign is you should use ASC kung gusto mo ng automated solution na mag-optimize ng ads mo, mag-reach ng broad audience, mag-test ng maraming creatives, ASC can be a great fit. Pero kailangan mo timbangin yung trade-offs like less control sa placement and make sure na budget mo is right. On my experience, I'm using ASC only if mayroon akong proven na ads there. Maybe up to 5 muna to 7 kasi depende yun sa budget ng client. At kapag mga bagong ad accounts, nagtatry ako ng mga interest targeting, yung mga natural or traditional method. But I have a setup na tinry ko ng ASC bagong ad account pero it generated results already. Why? Kasi gumamit ako ng existing Instagram post. Lahat ng gumagana doon sa Instagram or may mga better engagement na doon, yun yung ginamit kong ads. Mga 10 yung ginawa ko. 5 Instagram existing posts and then 5 yung regular na pero same creative. Tapos iniba ko lang yung mismong primary text or yung ad copy. Best practice is try alongside your other strategies para makita mo kung alin ba yung mag-perform compared sa goals mo. Ako kasi tinry ko manual at saka ASC but ASC had a lot of cheaper results for me doon sa client. Kung sawa ka na sa traditional targeting o gusto mo na simplified campaign management, Advantage Shopping campaign might be the tool you need. Lang naman and hopefully nakatulong. Let me know if you have any questions. Just follow me or subscribe for more freelancing and Facebook ads tips.